Wow. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's Casey Brown TV show. If it's the first time here, please try to subscribe and leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. I just want to tell you this new information that is in grand. Please, if my old and my new subscribers, shout out to you guys. You guys are wonderful. Please share this video to your lovely ones and your friends so that they can come around and grab this new update. So good news to my beautiful people, good news to my beautiful people. After so many months and years, understand? Finally, they have knocked it out. So yesterday in the parliament, in the Italian parliament, because of these Salvini laws, understand? Salvini always come around with this is, nag about these migrant issues, about the degree he placed on these migrants. Migrants cannot go for commission, without coming out with that negative all the time. All the time negative. Because this negative come make the irregular migrants come many for the countryside. And that one would give those, mafians the power to exploit migrants anyhow, they use them anyhow the way they want. And those things they lead migrants to they do, illegal stuff for the countryside. If migrants get documents, many of them will fight to get work, to take the work so that their own life will still be safe. They think how they want to, build that document. Without no document, migrants they look like frustrated in the countryside. They look like who don't nothing there for them. Many of them are so frustrated because of this laws having in place. Understand? Not be say your commission where they go and be say the story they enter sometimes, so but because of the law which having it hold them strong, they don't really release the documents. But thank God for this woman, Luciano Lamajizi, we come say today, all the time we serving the if they go their parliament, it must bring migrants matter come out. If they want to go discuss better thing, now migrants will carry come out. If they want to prove their country, now migrants go they carry come out. If you go Instagram, go Twitter, go Facebook, everything are migrant issues. Which say these people they need protection. They run for something they pursue them, they run for the countryside. Person for no wake up for a country say one run comot the past way they say with life and death. And later person will come the countryside, they come they frustrate the person. Then later the person go dey run from one country to another, one country to another. Years dey pass, 10 years, 15 years go dey pass person. You love person never achieve anything. Understand? But some of our people don't know say the place where you complete now be your home. If you comot go another country before you go they go give you their own documents, they hard based on Dublin law. They say that place you complete that place then you go finish your request of your asylum. And if you go another country, they feel let you dey there. But they just they waste your time. Some of our people now they'll get documents for this country, they go run go another country. Go, they go the other country they go pamper you, keep you for that countryside. When that document don't die finish, then you come dey wait. Years go dey pass. Years go dey pass. Bam, but except God constant, somebody just to give you their own. Based on because say you don't fit on place for IT before you go on that country. So bro, be careful the way they use this our documents. You don't get documents after you don't stay calm. Even 2 years, person they pray for that 1 year. People don't they struggle to get just this sanatorium where you come out so that they go fit get documents. So God go your bless them, give them 5 years, 1 year, 2 years to your discharge, go another country. Then say for their law, if you carry your permits to go in that country, you stay past 3 months. If they to give you 6 months, you come back. Understand? So people will just stay that 6 months, 1 year. After that 1 year, just forget the documents. Just forget them. Say you want to renew, they don't go give you back. I know many people will come back, one couple that 2 years for renew. After they don't spend 1 year and a half for another country, they don't go give them. Based on they know everything they under that. It did that system. They're all Europeans, so they know everything, the way they work out. They know everything. That make they tighten the border. They tighten the border. Start if you move into that country, they go just that make some if better people still hold you. They will say 3 months. Don't stay past their country for 3 months to go deport you back to your country for comfort. But if you want to go put your documents for renew, sometimes they delay those documents. And sometimes they will make them revoke that your documents from your hand. So please hold your documents so strong. Now, Salvini now where the law where they talk the law. Yesterday for the parliament, they don't vote 157 favor and while the rest na 140 something. The favor one, let me say they measure they make it they come favor the irregular migrants as this humanitarian to come back. Understand? They come vote saying the humanitarian day. That's how the law where they abolish the law comot wey they just cancel am. So this woman come modified his own law put that passport wey serving for 4 years. That guy strong o. That guy I no understand wetin migrant do that guy. I don't know wetin they do am o, but I don't know sha. Only God understand. Nobody when for this earth this life with everybody na migrant for the life. We no carry this life this world we no can come. We just come based on God just tell you say come the world make you use your life well. Then some people come just to come make everything deal. Come like say we know God no know wetin they do. God know wetin they do for this life. Understand? Just carry you come in, you just come bless the life, bless the people life, touch their life. As God take carry this woman come, so they come dey bless people. Understand? Just dey bless people. Keep sabi for one side because the sabi come parliament now. Migrant things now they carry come. Migrant things you know they come mouth for that one. I just migrant. Wetin I know sometimes people they ask wetin the migrant do am. Before God come go push am, I no know wetin push am because God go now into the work constantly he leave those people for inside ship for their ship for that boat for how many weeks before he come let them come down. And they come say this guy that one he no good. If people know where people maybe women and children wey maybe they fall sick now people die for inside. Who they go? Who no be the Italian authorities? Now maybe they sue am to court for one court, but they bend the thing. So they pray. So now this woman don't come. So now me dey on sister, maybe interior minister. I no one here say they see this one say because we sabi goes, we sabi not be interior. He just a candidate of government. If you want come protest, make come protest. If you win, he enter. Now she now they win for the parliament for 9 day parliament. Now 9 day the government. Now be the interior minister. Now she want he don't remove Stabi, but as me come out all this law. He don't put in your law. So humanitarian don't come back for 1 year to 2 years. It's make it day like that. So who use the document reason where say the mistake they revoke that document for your hand. Now you know why. Now you are concerned. I get that matter. See by mistake they revoke that 2 years. See God do one and you can't go. See now people why they will give you that 2 years based on your torture from your countryside. You are facing you are facing maybe threats for your own home of origin. Understand? Your persecution for your home of your origin. Your life no dey safe for the family wey you for take come out. And sexual orientation based on some kind of country no dey gree for all this gay and all those lesbian something. Based on if you go do one for kind of country they go want they go dey molest you, let you down. But for here now I know say they dey protect them. So that one I say na that still protection I go still give them. Make they take the waka. So their life go still dey secure. But that document, you know, goes and take go do say what they do on that thing. Say goes and take go they do crime. Now that one actually stand for smell go that document take go do crime. You understand? Just want to bless people, but no use that document because then go they wait now. Sabina goes down for corner they wait. Maybe they don't they give people documents, come wait. Maybe one of those migrants now go commit crime, then go come and say, see don't give the documents, see so they do for street, so they do for here. So when I use the document, well. If you find work to renew your documents. Convert the documents. If you not still work, if you still go, the still give you your document. But if you find work, they build your documents. People there for this IT, they don't even get a passport. People even get Qatar, but they remain for the IT. So not still discharge, but and when you do where they make your income, where they make your money, not be your abroad, not be say you don't go on that place. If you don't go on that place, go start for square one. People you gotta come to come meet or pass you. So everything now JJ, the life now JJ. So we thank God for this new law they placed yesterday. Abolish survey law, put their law. Passport, that 4 years you want to wait before they can call you so you can sign or take oath. That one they don't reduce to 3 to 2 years. Understand? Humanitarian will be 1 year we just can the humanitarian, don't come to the humanitarian, cancer specially, protection specially. You see everything now for 2 years. Everything will be 2 years. That be the new law. You know, so that Savi, those people who rescue migrants, they come, he sued them to court and he found them some kind of money, many millions of euros. They don't reduce the money. Most of them just go pay like 50, 10,000 when they just forget the case. And if any rescue ship rescue people for top of water, if they want carry the come IT, they go call Italy first, call the authorities before they carry them they come. Understand? They don't feel you carry they come like that. They must call the authorities. Italy authorities say we they carry the come, but see now so and so if they go accept, they accept. They don't just hand so they want they work. So, but these document issues, so they don't put on to 2 years. But he say don't use the documents for expulsion. Understand? Make you know use document to do anyhow. So guys, this is the new update of today. We are so happy for this new information, and it's really understand. So guys, please share this video and like this video, and please subscribe if it's your first time here. You will learn a lot to talk about migrant and document issue. This is the new information of today. So guys, follow up and let's move on together. We are hoping more better for our lives. So guys, we'll be talking in my next videos about the sanatoriums, because many updates is coming out on this sanatorial issues. Understand? People don't come out they talk about the sanatorium. So I'll be reading about the sanatorium very soon. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to drop the video of sanatorium. So this is just today update of today for the new degree they have placed, move survey degree. So guys, stay blessed and stay tuned. It's your brother, your friend Kissy Brand TV show. Stay safe and much love.